It is 9:47 and the fire alarm has not went off again since. Let's see how long this keeps going before I have to actually change the battery now. It's been quiet ever since I asked him, and he took a while to come back. He wasn't shoveling the whole time, he disappeared for a little bit. Living at my parents' house, I feel like we never had to change the battery that often. This you have to change it like every 6 months. So I don't know if they just be like, this one says 5 years. It's supposed to last 5 years, or it's good. I feel like a battery is a battery. Well, we'll see. But so far it's been pretty quiet since I mentioned it to him, and he brought it over. So now, I'll let you know if it starts up again. And you want to know something? Every time I walked under it, or I was saying a specific word, talking to like my cats or something, it would freaking beep right as I was saying it, or right when I was under it. I don't know if it's just a glitch or what, but we'll keep an eye out, keep an ear out. Alright, have a good one. I'm gonna enjoy this quiet, cold night.